Hi friends! This week for our letter writing activity, you are going to be writing to the same person you wrote to last week. And you are actually going to be responding to the letter that they wrote you. So last week we focused on writing a lot of questions so that the other person can respond to those questions. So let's work a little bit on that. I have a letter here that Leha wrote to me a couple weeks ago. So I'm going to read a little bit of it and then we'll figure out how I can respond to what she wrote. So it says, "Dear Abby, you are amazing. You are one of my favorite teachers. My question for you is, what are you doing? You inspire me so much. I hope you are doing well. I want to go back to school." From Leha. So Leha wrote a lot of things in her letter that I can respond to or answer her question, and that'll give me a lot of good things for me to write. So let's start. It says, "You are amazing. You're one of my favorite teachers." Well, I want to say thank you because that's so nice. So I'm going to start by writing, "Dear Leha," because it goes to Leha. "Dear Leha." And then I just want to say thank you. I'm going to respond to the first thing she wrote. So it kind of goes in order. I've got, "You are amazing, you're my favorite." And I'm going to break that up. I'm actually going to write on the letter so that I know what part I want to respond to first. So this part that I put a box around is what I'm going to write first. And then I'll probably respond to the question next. "What are you doing?" So that'll be my next part. And then it says, "I hope you're doing well. I want to go back to school." So I'll probably respond to that part next. So I've got 1, 2, 3 different things that I'm going to respond to. Got my first thing, my second thing, and my third thing. So the first thing I'm going to respond to is, "You are my favorite teacher. You are amazing." And I'm just going to say thank you. That's so kind. Thank you for your kind words. That's my first part. Thank you for your kind words. Now I'm going to respond to her question, which is, "What are you doing?" Well, that's a pretty easy question to answer. What am I doing? So I am going on a lot of walks. I'm doing my best guess spelling as I do this. I have tried making cookies. I put tried because they didn't turn out very well. So she asked, "What are you doing?" And I answered. I said, "I'm going on a lot of walks. I have tried making cookies." The third thing I'm going to respond to is, "I hope you are doing well. I want to go back to school." I feel the same way. So I'm going to say, "I hope you are doing well. I also want to go back to school. Want to go back to school. I hope you are doing well. I also want to go back to school." Now, I still have some room left on my paper, so I can ask Leha a question so that she can respond to my letter as well. So I'm going to ask her, "What are you doing at home? How are you feeling?" So I've got my responses to Leha's letter at the top. Then I ask her a couple of questions. "How are you doing? How are you feeling?" So that if she wants to, she can respond to my letter as well. And then I'll just put "From Abby" at the bottom. I hope that you have fun responding to your letters from last week. This is something new for us, so if it's challenging, just do your very best. And I can't wait to see what you come up with. Bye.